Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Nissan Tiida brake light. First, gather your essential tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a new replacement bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. You'll find the brake light assembly located inside the trunk, usually behind a small access panel. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the bulb. Gently remove the interior trim panel that covers the brake light assembly. You might need a trim removal tool for this. Next, unscrew any retaining bolts or clips that hold the light assembly in place. Once these are removed, carefully pull the entire light assembly away from the car body, being mindful of any attached wiring. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the bulb. Locate the bulb holder and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. Gently pull the old bulb straight out of its socket. It might be a bit snug. Now, take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the socket, ensuring it is seated correctly and firmly in place. Now, carefully reattach the light assembly to the car body, ensuring all fasteners are securely tightened. Replace the interior trim panel, pressing it firmly into place until it clicks. Before you finish, have a friend help you test the new brake light to confirm it's working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This final check ensures your safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.